Oh, what's up, YouTube? Hey, I did a video about grounding out. It led me to do a video about about being cool. It's like I wonder how the body stays 96 degrees, 100 degrees out. They say you sweat. And that cools your body down. Which it might be true. Uh, I think it's some kind of negative energy in your body. I don't know how it gets produced. Kind of like the cold weather. So it's something. I think it's some kind of negative energy. I seen a Peltier device the other day. I ain't never heard one of them. I don't know why they don't put them in refrigerators. They say they use Freon, which don't make no sense to me. They say Freon's a real pollutant. Uh, maybe they're trying to trap somebody. What's what like I call you a pollutant. Call you a polluter or something. They say, they talk about global warming and stuff like that. I think they're all fucking liars, man. I think they can control the weather. I think they can. I don't know how they do it. But I think they can. It's like why the sky's blue. You ever wonder why that? You don't ever really wonder about it. Because you see it every day and you accept it. You don't ever question why the sky's blue. You accept the sky's blue. I seen something like titanium or something one time. They were running current through it. Some form of electricity. The weather. You think it. Regular electricity. You know, I, it's. I don't know what kind of electricity it be. It's bring by electron, proton, or neutrons. That stuff kind of blows my mind. And it's not too much information on it, to really understand it. Uh, yeah, I believe they can control the weather. I believe they can. Uh, you know, I don't know how, but I think run some kind of electricity through the sky. In front of the sun. Make it look like a lunar eclipse. And I seen where they did that every day. I went to this place. And I seen some weird shit, man. I seen like green clouds and shit, in Dallas, Texas, Grand Prairie, Texas. It's like green clouds, and like I was in McAllen, Texas, man. It's like a lunar eclipse down there every day, Uh, you know, uh, I don't know. And then you start thinking about refrigerant, coolant, Freon, and say in a refrigerator, they got a fan, that's blowing about it's probably 100 degrees outside. It's got a fan. Maybe the fan lowers the temperature to about somewhere between 90, 85 degrees. The fan, that big fan. They blow a fan on the condenser, and then the condenser, it pushes all the heat out the freon. And they say it cools the freon down. It might be true. I don't know. I mean, if you think of it as an energy, cool as an energy, I don't know what happens, maybe something knocks off the protons, maybe it knocks off the electrons, maybe it adds a neutron. I have no idea, and they don't got too much info on it, because I think they want to keep that shit hush hush about how they can control the weather, I think I believe they could put some electricity in the sky, make the sky be a different color, because the sky being blue really don't make no sense to me. It's like you think about it. So you got the sun. You got the sun over here. You got the earth right here. It's just like no matter in between there. To where I don't understand why the sky would be blue. It don't make no sense. But like I seen some things in electrolysis like where they run current through stuff. It changes colors. Like titanium. Titanium gets hot. It changes all blue and purple. Uh, yeah. But yeah, man, I start thinking about Freon. That really don't make no sense. How's something that's about 90 degrees gonna cool something off to be about 30 degrees. And then You know, how's Freon gonna always hold that energy, that cold energy? You know, so you know, Freon atomizes real quick, goes up in the air. You know, which means that you know when it atomizes, it absorbs heat. You know, I could be wrong. You know, but that's just my opinion. You know, it's my opinion. You know, I believe they control the weather. You know, I don't even think this. I think they can make the sky be blue, purple, green. I mean, you name it. You know, no, yeah, and hurricanes, man. It's messed up, man. It's they make a hurricane. I don't know why they would do that. They walk around, make a hurricane on themselves, say they're the victim. They could displace somebody. Say you know, take people's life savings and stuff. Blow it to the ground. They'd be like, well, this happened to me. But they have shelter from it. They say they entitled to make a hurricane. So they make a hurricane on themselves. They're gonna be sheltered from it. It looks like it affects them, but it really don't affect them. It's like I did some video about age. How people walk around say they're old and stuff, and they're sheltered from it, and they walk around say they're a victim. They wear age like a costume. And I guess they superior ones. But yeah, man, I figure I did a video about temperature. I can't hardly remember. I think it's something to do with temperature and energy. I think your body's got something in it. I don't know what it is, but cools it down because if you think about it, they say you're sweating, it cools your body down. It's like if you got some milk, and some cold milk, the condensation it condensates water. I think it's called they got dehumidifiers, but dehumidifier, it starts sweating, just because it starts sweating, that don't stop the milk from being 100 degrees when it's 100 degrees outside. If you sit in the sun, if you go sit in the sun, you gonna stay about 96 degrees, so that's probably like a fact right there. If you were to they say we're like human body is 7% water, so you go you do an experiment, you go find a percentage of your body weight, it might be like 72 or 75% of your body weight, you go set all that water out in the sun, and you might could even hook it up to a radiator. You can hook up to a radiator, have that water flowing. When the water's flowing, it's gonna take more time. Though it's gonna take more time to heat up. But eventually it'll be 100. It'll be 100 degrees. It'll be the same temperature as it is outside. Yeah, I figure I'd do a video on that, on my opinion. And it'd probably be a fact. If you investigate it. But anyway, help somebody out.